You ever feel like you're trapped? Stuck in one moment that won't let you breathe? She moved on. Just like that. No explanations. No warnings. Just simply gone. But you're still replaying that last conversation. Still thinking about how she looked when it all ended. Still holding on to a memory that's already a ghost. And the worst part? Everyone tells you, move on. But no one tells you how to actually do it without feeling like you're losing a part of yourself. And now I'm here to tell you, you're not broken. You're just stuck. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll learn how to finally break free. Because I'm gonna share 5 simple, real tips that helped me and can help you turn that stuck feeling into freedom. No fluff, no cliches, just honest steps to get you living again. So without further any delay, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, accept that closure might not come. Here's something that messed me up for a long time. I kept waiting for closure. Like maybe one day she'd text me, "Hey, just wanted to say I'm sorry. I never meant to hurt you." But that kind of message, I never get it from her. And even if it did, would it really fix everything? Closure isn't something someone gives you. It's something you decide to take. Stop replaying conversations, trying to find the sentence that made it all fall apart. You can't rewrite the past, but you can write what comes next. Here's a challenge for you. Write a letter, but you don't need to send her. Say everything you wish you could say. Be angry, be honest, cry if you need to. Then delete it, burn it, and let it go. Not for them, just for you. Tip number 2, dream about your future, not the past. Have you ever caught yourself thinking everything with her was perfect? Like even the fights felt so special or full of meaning. That's your brain playing tricks on you. It's called nostalgia, remembering the good stuff, but forgetting the not so good. The truth is, you're not really missing her. You're missing how it felt to be wanted, to feel important to someone. So here's the switch you need to make. Stop dreaming about the past and start dreaming about your future. Imagine yourself walking into your favorite place, feeling confident, happy, and free from all this pain. That future version of you, he's real. You just haven't met him yet. Start building a life you can't wait to wake up to. Try new things, go to places she never took you, wear the kind of clothes she wouldn't have liked. So this is your time now. Start fresh again. Tip number 3, unfollow or mute. All right, this is a one tough thing in love. If you're still watching her stories, still checking her feed, stop today, like right now. It's like ripping off a bandage over and over, wondering why it still hurts. Unfollowing isn't petty, but it's peaceful. It's not about hating her. It's about loving yourself enough to say, I don't need to see this anymore. Muting someone doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're serious about healing. Think of it like this. You can't move forward if you're still parked in front of their house. Give yourself space. You deserve that, and you need it. Tip number 4, upgrade your routine. Upgrade your mindset. You know when you're stuck in a breakup loop, even food tastes bland? Music hits too hard? Days blur? That's because your routine is still wrapped around her. Here's what changed my life. I didn't just try to get over it. I upgraded my daily routine. Started waking up earlier. I start to go gym, non-negotiable. Even if it's 20 minutes, I will be there. Then I start listening useful podcasts instead of listening sad playlists. Then I take cold showers and I start write journaling, read new books. And also, I tried to make a new friends. When you start stacking small wins, rebuilds your confidence. And with confidence comes clarity. You start seeing her not as the one that got away, but as a chapter that ended when it was supposed to. Tip number 5, forgive yourself even if she never does. All right, this one's a deep thing in love. Sometimes the hardest part of moving on isn't letting go of them. It's forgiving yourself. Maybe you messed up. Maybe you didn't say what you should have said. Maybe you stayed longer than you should have. Maybe you still hate yourself for it. But listen, every single person walking this earth has a version of that story. You're not the villain in your life. You're just learning. Forgive yourself for not knowing better back then. Thank yourself for still showing up every day. Despite everything, you're still here, still breathing, still healing. So that's called a strength. Let's be real. She moved on. That hurts. But you know what? So will you. You're not stuck. You're just paused. And pause is temporary. Don't let one moment define your whole story. You're allowed to hurt, but don't unpack and live there. Your real life starts when you stop asking, why did this happen to me? And start asking, what can I do with this? So make it your life something meaningful. So go and start write your next chapter, because trust me, One day you'll look back on this version of you, hurt, confused, trying to heal, and you will say, damn, I made it out. And you'll be proud. So if you like this video, please hit like button and share it with someone who needs it. And comment below and tell me your turning point. And subscribe, not because it helps the channel, but because healing doesn't end here. We're growing together, so you've got this. And finally, be happy and stay happy, because we have very limited time.